excited to showcase my world, Masterpiece Caravans. I started working in a factory floor. Believe it or not, the first day they gave me a broom to clean the factory, and within the first 6 months, I was able to become the production manager of that company. I stayed for a while, moved to another company as a manufacturing engineer. That's where I learned a lot about the design, who's the dealer, who's the suppliers, who's the customer, where the order comes from, what is the Australian design rule, what is the Australian standard, how you design things, where all the supplier, the component to come from, and that was a fantastic 3.5 years journey that I basically learned a lot about caravan in it. Then I moved to another company as a part owner and the general manager, stayed there for nearly 4 years, and after that I decided in the end of 2015 to open Masterpiece Caravans. So I started from the very bottom, holding a broom, working in the factory floor, doing walls, doing chassis, doing floor, building caravans, doing cladding, aluminum, helping the electrician to wire vans. And I basically learned everything about caravan. I can build the caravan from A to Z except as a gas line. The name of Masterpiece Caravans comes from a pharaonic book. I was looking at one of the Egyptian books, which is, we have a lot of them at home because my background is Egyptian. And the book talks about the ancient Egyptian. And back then, every pharaoh or every king of Egypt, he got masterpieces, which is, it could be art stuff, some gold stuff, some chairs, some beds. And usually when they got buried, they take everything that means something to them with them to the tomb. So when we talk about any of the pharaohs in that book, they talk about the masterpieces that that pharaoh had at his time that was buried with him. And when we saw the masterpiece name, me and my wife said, "Oh, that's a beautiful name, Ramon. Why we don't call the company Masterpiece Caravans?" And that's how the name started.
I'm Bobby Petrusevsky, and I'm proud to be the General Manager of Masterpiece Caravans. My journey did start in fast food restaurants where I learned a lot of processes and systems and skills that were required to make it in the real world. And I was able to utilise those skills when I finally landed a job at a major caravan manufacturer, which I was pretty lucky to be part of. Very, very popular brand, and I learned a lot of my skill set from there. Most good things come to an end. I was able to run into who today is the owner of Masterpiece Caravans and my best friend, Ramon Raffaello, and we embarked on this amazing journey, which is Masterpiece Caravans. As you can see behind me, the factory is abuzz, there's plenty going on, and I can't wait to showcase and take you through our facility. Let's go have a look at how these masterpieces are built. Here we are at the Masterpiece Caravans factory. We're about to go for a walk through the production line, and let's go see where magic happens.